Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up my table and 3D printer. Right now my garage is a mess, but I'm unpacking a box of table that is going to host the 3D printer. Then we have just enough space here. There is power outlet right here, so I can use that. And then there's also a window so I can vent out. And I'm at stage 0, basically unpacking. Pro tip is, if I use this container here as a screw distribution, there's less likelihood that I will lose anything from what they've given us. This is standard IKEA furniture instruction that you need to figure out. There are these brackets. Seems like there's only so many brackets they've given us. Part list. Yeah. I'm going to listen to some music while I finish this up. ಹಲೋ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಇದನ್ನು 4 ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. I'm still in step 2. There's like at least more than 2 steps here. I mean, the drawer has to be inside. I need a right angle thing here, so this won't work. I have to get a different tool. So far so good, nothing too complicated. Standard installation procedures. Alright, so this one I think I can't. There's one screw always that is not possible to install. A mechanical thingy. It's funny. This screwdriver is so old that I couldn't find the charger for it for like ages. And then all of a sudden I found it in my organized charger cabinet thing. Funny how that works sometimes. Okay, second leg needs to go. Hold on a minute. I accidentally got that one right. Well, just gonna blame it on my intuition, engineering acumen. That's what it is. Okay. That's nice. Seriously, who's gonna watch this video of a random guy assembling furniture? Wow, not just the right amount of screws. Actually, no, I have 2 screws left. It's okay. Steps. Now we're going to install a back support on the bottom. Install number 3B using 40s. 3B is using 40. But halfway there, the next part. This is going to be finishing the dryers. I think the table can now stand up and go from there. We finished step 2 actually. We have to finish the step 2.5, which is installing leg pieces. 5B. Installing 5B. After installing 5 leg pieces. Okay, attach 6 leveling feet to 5B. Use 24 inch to tighten. Okay, I'll be back. Well, I hurt myself today to see if I could feel. So all of this is what they want to use. First dent. Okay, 2 more to go. Legs installed. Okay, I think we gotta put the table back. We have to flip the table now. Microfono bida bobiಡ್ತಾ. Lift with the back always. Alright, knowing me, I'm gonna cover this with the cloth so that there's no scratches. But I don't feel. I think the cloth is gonna do shit. I think I need to put the thermocol back on. But I think it's okay. It's a bit too tall for me, I think. This table is pretty decent height. Not too shabby. More in things to install at the back. I think we have to install the posts for the pegboard. We'll do that one more time. Coming along pretty good, yeah. Few more screws and then we'll be done. At the top that need to be done. After that, the pegboard design is complete. This is the table now. I got to assemble the drawers, and then once the drawers are assembled, I think we can then go and open up the main event for the day. Okay, gotta install the dryer next. All right, let's go do this.
One eternity later.
This has to be on the bottom side, not the inside of the dryer. This has to be at the bottom. So I gotta take everything out now and then redo it. It's not fun unless you make a mistake and then fix it. The dryer is done. It's done in the right way. I have to just install the rails on the side. The dryer is finally installed and I have to install the lights that go up here, and then I also have the electrical power strip. Power strip, I must decide to mount it on the panel here. The table is installed and everything is ready to go. So next step is to unpack. I am a little bit vertically challenged, so I have to okay, I have to use the accessory box. There is a screw I can screw. I've seen some videos, so I know what's going on. Toolbox. Okay, so we gotta use a toolbox first. Okay, toolbox. The screen is installed and then I have most of it done. I think maybe start the calibration process soon.
I'm here first of all.
Finally, our 3D printer is ready and installed. So we have it here. It is not calibrated. I just finished installing. So next step is going to power on and then do the calibration process. Okay, so we are readjusting some stuff. Because yeah, you can keep it that way. And this top we'll have to open sometime. But to open top, you have to remove the EMS anyway. So it doesn't really matter. ये रबर बैंड लगा के रखा था मैंने मेरे को EMS दो You want to keep it center? Why you want to keep it in the center? This way you can have a workbench here where you can do stuff, right? नहीं ये setup तो audience of 50 audience of 50 my 50 people they'll be like what is this guy doing? One day he's doing cooking video one day he's doing cooking video chicken curry next day he's doing 3D printer no consistency but not being consistent is mine तुम क्या याद रखोगे ओके वो इधर मेरे को सीटी दो do not block the air vent okay I guess there is enough for them from air vent perspective
एयर वेंट का
इसके नीचे hydro brake
Paul the way address we can't open this window at all
we can open this why can't we open this I'm opening it right now Sir, please 1 second बहुत अच्छा स्मेल कर रहा है तुम्हारा that's the other thing like load करने में इसको इतना ही खोल सकते हैं that's fine so fine then now that you're here deal with the loading of this filament I don't know so I think you should calibrate first according to this I have to calibrate power on the printer and place the spool element in the 4 slots and make sure the spool is correctly placed I think first you have to power it on ये करने के बाद हमको ये spool लगा के printer scanner EMS Pro वो सब छोड़ो अभी scan bind the printer to bamboo hand English North America next password दिखा रहे तुम लोगों को password a security engineer showing password in daylight
it's not daylight it's only white light
security engineer showing passport to the YouTube audience. The first step of the 3D printer is you have to give a name and this is the most difficult part of the game. What do you want to call it? The current name is 3DP22E446. Rocky, I'll call it Rocky. We just watched Project Hail Mary. So I'm going to just call it that. Maybe later. Okay.
I want to set up in my phone as well.
Yeah, you can set it up, but you just have to log in. Your account is there, right? You just have to pair it. That's it. Fine. Next, agree terms and condition. We works with 3D improvements. Skip. Verify before. Okay. Yes, screw is done. Use Allen 2.0. All 3 screws are removed. Yeah.
ये सामने ये क्या?
Calibrate. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. Total 30 minutes.
And spool में you have to put it.
Calibrate lower. नहीं अभी नहीं. बाद में करते हैं इसे. Let it do its thing. It's calibrating, guys. It's calibrating.
I filled these spools. We have 3 spools. Black, black matte and white. And it has calibrated it. So we are going to print our first model, and which is...
Okay, what are you trying to print?
Here we go! You'll see what we are printing.
Allow.
Allo.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
What did it say first?
Back.
No, okay, fine. Filament used in profile, okay. Filament you can actually own, okay. Alright. Print.
Check the printer.
Rocky. Okay. Print current plate. Print current plate.
Okay, excellent. I'm just seeing 3D view. And कौन सा color लेना है? Is it white or black? Oh yeah.
Which one you want to do? I think white is good.
White?
White will be good. So white is first one. Because white के ऊपर you can print. Our first 3D print.
Our beloved.
Nothing about this. He printed a cat. Oh, it's very nice, dude. Very nice. You can 3D print anything now. Wow.
The yawning cushion.
Yeah.
The one who yawns all the time. Oh, I think well, that's when this comes in handy. Where you have to close all the doors and windows. And cabinets.
Yeah, I get it. I know I need to do that. I don't do that usually. That was the main agenda of today, setting up this table and then getting the 3D printer to work and doing our first 3D print. It was super easy. It was not too complicated. The setup was a breeze. Just follow the instructions in the book and it worked. Only thing is I ordered just a filament refill and no spool for this. So I have to order a spool for this whenever. Maybe a 3D printer spool. So today was a very productive and successful day. The 3D print came out very well. I really like the area where we placed the 3D printer. We're gonna have some fun. I'm already printing another item for my watch. It's a watch charging stand. I'll let you know how it turns out to be. Food is here. Bye.